Hello and welcome to Investment News Now. We scour the internet for the most important investment news so you don't have to. Come visit us at investmentnewsnow.com. June 14th, 2012. Today's top headline comes to us courtesy of my favorite named website, Cluster Stock. Basically the 14 reasons that we ought to be worrying about Spain. It's a good presentation. It goes through 14 pretty reasonable notions about what is happening to Spain, from their real estate market, home prices falling, to their links to other very financially unstable countries. So we appreciate that headline from the Business Insider and the folks over at Cluster Stock. We also have an interesting story from Zero Hedge this morning about how the Fed, the Federal Reserve, is going out and basically front-running U.S. Treasury auctions. They came in and bought literally billions of 30-year bonds 2 hours before the Treasury is selling the 30-year bonds. It's a Ponzi scheme, and an excellent article thanks to our friends at Zero Hedge. I wanted to point out a couple of things that I find pretty interesting, that we find interesting here at Investment News Now. One is a new concept in investing from Motif. And basically what they do is they allow you to create a basket of stocks that just cater to your own particular interest. And so I think you should visit this story, and definitely visit Motif, because if you have your own creative ideas for figuring out, one of the examples that they gave us is a way to actually make money on Facebook by investing in a basket of stocks linked to Facebook and to Facebook strategies. So excellent company, very innovative thinking, and something that you should definitely check out. Another featured story today is Fox News' Charlie Gasparino, who talks about a J.P. Morgan report that uncovers $5 trillion with the T in unfunded, underfunded pensions. This is a huge, huge story, but you just don't see it running on the news. And the reason that it is a huge story is because what it basically reveals is huge liabilities, and a lot of this is from government employee unions and things like that have massively underfunded pensions. And of course the implications are that they're going to have to find some way to raise the money to pay for it at some point in time. So clearly it has tax implications. Highly recommend that you go over and check out the story from Charlie Gasparino. Also, interesting commentary from Glenn Beck on why the Federal Reserve is a scam, and I'm going to let him give you the details. So that's basically it for today, June 14th, 2012. We sure appreciate you viewing us, and stay tuned for the latest breaking news.